This video has been made possible by Luxion, the creators of Keyshot. Hey guys, and welcome to this special extra video. Well, the title says it all, call to action, but call to action for what? Well, in this video we're going to be talking about schools. Don't run off, this is going to be cool, trust me, stick around. Okay, so schools. A couple of months ago I had the opportunity to go to Animago to do a speech, and that's in Munich in Germany. And while I was there, I was talking to my contact there, Thomas Grönnert, and Thomas is a professor at the Medienhochschule in Munich, basically a 3D university. Now they do a lot more cool stuff than that, but they have a good 3D program, and that gave me a thought that a lot of people on my channel email me and leave comments saying, where should I get my training? Should I do an online workshop? Should I do classes? Should I get private tutorships? What should I do? So what I want to do with this call to action video is invite students and or teachers to put a short video together, basically to promote whatever program they're running, okay? So if it's a bachelor or master's program for 3D art, whether it's game or movie, put a little video together, make it dynamic, show the facilities, inside, outside, and at the very least you can say hi to your friends in the video, okay? So promote it like you mean it. It's going to be free, of course, no charge whatsoever, and you get to reach about 300,000 to 500,000 people a month, okay? So hopefully you'll respond. I'll put a couple of guidelines below so you know what to do and what not to do as far as not making a 1-hour video or whatnot. And the best videos will go online on my channel. Okay, well that's it, and I'll see you guys next time in a regular video. Bye.